Hi and welcome back. I got some gifts from Banggood and I was thinking of making a review and a test of these items. And this first item is this set of 15 drill bits that goes from 1.5 millimeters up to 10 millimeters. And these drill bits are cobalt drill bits, and they're supposed to be a bit stronger and longer living than ordinary drill bits. And I'm gonna test this in just some ordinary steel, and then I will test them in stainless steel too. And I will go with this 5.5 drill bit, and I will compare this Banggood drill bit with this drill bit. It's no name, it just says high speed steel 5.5 millimeters. And I also got this drill bit. It's supposed to be high quality. It's a Dormer made in England, high speed steel 5.5 millimeters. So I will make a test of these drill bits. I also got this nice box from Banggood, and what do we have inside? Well, we have a 5 pieces set of step drills, and they look pretty good. These are also high-speed steel and cobalt high-speed steel, and I will be testing them on some sheet metal in different thickness. But I start with the drill bits. I also got this set of hole saws, and and they go from 16 millimeters up to 30 millimeters, and they look like this, and they are pretty sharp. In fact, it would be fun to test them, but I do that in another video. And I also got this set of boring bars, and I will be and these are carbide, and it is soldered on these bars, and I will be testing them in the next video. I leave a link below in the description where you can buy these cobalt twist drills, and also where you can buy these cobalt step cone drills. Okay, so here we got some piece of steel about 10 millimeter thick, and I will start with drilling a hole with this no name high speed steel drill bit, and then I go on with this Dormer, and finally with this cobalt drill bit from Banggood, and we'll see how it goes. The speed will be 500 RPM. Okay, some oil, and here we go. Well, that went all right, I think. Okay, time for the dormer drill bit. Like so. Well, no problem. And now time for this cobalt drill bit from Banggood. Sorry. So let's see how this performs. Well, as you can see, there was no problem with any of these drill bits. So let's try something a bit harder and tougher. Okay, let's go on with the next test. This is a stainless steel plate, and the thickness is 6 mm, and it's non-magnetic. Okay, start with this no-name high-speed steel drill bit and 500 RPM as before. Well, it got through, but with some noise. Okay, time for the dormer. Some oil. Well, a new hole. And now we test the high-speed steel cobalt drill bit from Banggood. I'll put some oil on. Yes, no problem. A bit loud perhaps, but the resistance when you're drilling through is quite a bit lower with this Banggood drill bit. Well, we make another test try to drill through this saw blade, and the thickness of this is about 1.3 millimeters. And I start again with this high-speed steel no-name drill bit, and we see how it goes. Some oil, 500 RPM. Well, that went all right. We go on with the warmer. Put some oil. No problem. And we try the Banggood cobalt drill bit. Some oil. No problem. Okay, we will finish this testing by trying to drill through this steel plate. I can't mill it with high-speed steel tools. I need to have carbide tools for this. So let's try. Okay, I start again with this no-name high-speed steel drill bit. Put some oil on and 500 RPM as before. Let's see how this drill bit performs. No. He couldn't drill through this steel. Well, let's try the dormer. Like so. Okay. Some oil, and here we go. Yep, the dormer made it all through. And time for this cobalt drill bit from Banggood. Some oil, and here we go. Well, that went very smooth, I think. And look at these ships. Very good result. So here we have it. 2 drill bits make it all the way through. And what can I say? Well, this Banggood cobalt high-speed steel drill bits are a bargain. I think they are very, very good. And the price is surprisingly low. So if you haven't buy them. I recommend them. Next item to test will be this conical step drills. High-speed steel, cobalt, and I will first try to drill through 1mm steel sheet, and then we try this 2mm. Okay, this is 1mm thick, and the speed will be 290. Well, no problems. Okay, this is 2mm thick, and the RPM is still 290. So here we go. Well, no problem with 2mm steel sheet. Well, let's try 3mm thick. And I think I will try this little one that goes from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. No, that's not correct. It goes from 3/16 to 1/2 inch. So let's try that. We put some oil on, and the speed is 290. And no problem at all. So, what is my conclusion to this test? Well, I can say I can highly recommend these cobalt twist drills sets from Banggood. Very good quality. And the same goes for these cobalt step cone drill cutters. And I can highly recommend this too. So I leave a link to this in my description below. And in next video I will make a review and test of these hole saw cutters and the boring bar set. So see you then. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.